So it's 5 a.m. and we have started for Gaurikund. So I'm officially part of 5 a.m. club now. See you tomorrow. So the previous night we had reached Sonprayag pretty late in night, so we couldn't shift to Gaurikund, and it takes a lot of time in the morning to reach the registration counter. As you can see, the long queue. It took us almost 2 hours to get to the registration counter, and there was another queue for to get into taxi for Gaurikund. Sonprayag to Gaurikund is 5 kilometer and you cross this bridge. So there was another queue.
Hey, where are we?
Hi. So we have reached Sonprayag. अब हम यहाँ पे शटल के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं और सुबह हो गई है
और ठंडी भी हो गई है।
ठंड तो एक्चुअली अभी बेरेबल है, कुछ उतना बुरा नहीं है अभी तक। देखते हैं।
पीकू, हेलो, हाय, आर यू हैप्पी?
अभी तक अभी चढ़ाई बाकी है।
चढ़ाई बाकी है, एग्जैक्टली।
और जसलीन, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
वेरी गुड।
गुड मॉर्निंग जसलीन।
गुड मॉर्निंग देव।
ये 3 पागल लड़कियां मेरे साथ।
देव के
व्हाट पागल
बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स।
बहुत पागल है, बहुत पागल। चलो हो गया, बाय। We waited in this queue for almost half an hour, and then it was almost like an stampede to get into the taxi, whichever taxi you get. We luckily found one and managed to squeeze in. नमस्ते, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
हॉट स्टफ्ड घुटन हो रही है, जल्दी पहुंचाओ। आप कैसा महसूस?
तो अभी हम लोग हैं सोनप्रयाग से गौरीकुंड की तरफ जा रहे हैं। बैग छत पे, पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं। और गाड़ी में पीछे से 6 लोग ही बैठ पाते हैं, विच इज डिसअपॉइंट। और कितने लोग हैं पता नहीं।
मैं काउंट करूं? 3 4 5 6 पीपल नो, मतलब 12 लोग को ले जाते हैं।
तो इट्स अ 12 सीटर एक्सेप्शनल कार।
7 सीटर।
और हम लोग, मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ गौरीकुंड में। समय बताया जाएगा थोड़ी देर में।
7
पहुंच जाएंगे हम जल्दी, 7 10 और।
हाँ पहुँच जाएंगे, चलो। सो हम लोग चल रहे हैं गौरीकुंड मार्केट में। यहाँ ऑलमोस्ट सारा सामान अवेलेबल है। यदि आप चाहते हैं कि आप सोनप्रयाग से ज़्यादा सामान न लाएं तो यहाँ से ख़रीद सकते हो आप। सो एंड वी हैव हायर्ड ए पर्सन टू कैरी आवर लगेज बिकॉज वी वर ऑलरेडी टायर्ड। एंड वो हमारे पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं। ये है जसलीन और ये हमारे हरिचंद्र।
मुझे मत भूल जाना फोटो के लिए।
So this is gateway at Gaurikund. Once we reached Gaurikund, we met our Pithhoo. As I suggested in my 10 tips video, that hire a Pithhoo for sure, so that he can carry your luggage. We were almost tired by this point carrying our luggage.
Dave, where are we?
So we have a great glimpse of Kedarnath from here. I don't know where we are. I think we trekked about 2 kilometers only. And yeah, many more to go.
Yay!
there are lot of waterfalls that you will cross during the way, and my shoes were not waterproof, but I was able to manage it fine. If you are worried about your shoes, then you can get rain cover for them, which is also okay. Also, the water from the waterfalls is drinkable, like we had it at lot of points, so you don't really need to buy water as such. One of the most amazing thing is there are washrooms all around. Like every half a kilometer you will find a washroom and they are super clean, so you don't need to worry about it. So हो गए almost 3 kilometer trek. I feel okay, and I think part of my crew is, so hopefully they will catch up soon, or are they resting? What should you do in this situation? There are a lot of horses, people on horses, and Kedarnath is 12.5 kilometers away.
Dave, where are we?
So we are 10 kilometers away from the trek. So one of the signboard which we had seen earlier was 18 kilometers. So maybe we have covered 8. 10 more to go. Yes.
Yay!
The biggest challenge of the trek is horses. They almost come from anywhere and everywhere. So we are at this crazy place. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but just look at the scenery behind. The water flow is so strong, I don't think I'll be audible. And we are, I think, 10 kilometers away. So what I used to do is, since my pacing was higher, I used to trek a bit, then stop to click picture of the place and also the scenery. Craziness. I used to keep stopping for clicking flora and fauna. There was some really interesting plants and flowers. And there were a lot of ferns. This stretch was tricky one. I almost wet my shoes. The stretch from 8.5 to 7 kilometer onwards is very scary. Be careful. The weather can change anytime. The clouds came in and it was sunny one moment, and next moment it was almost cloudy and it started to drizzle. And our Pithhoo was far away. So we didn't have our raincoats with us. We bought these cool yellow ones for just 200 rupees. Luckily, people are not greedy, so we had them at a good price. Our Pithhoo by this time had moved forward. One thing you have to keep in mind, as soon as the sun sets, the temperature starts to drop drastically. Also, it might be due to altitude. So imagine the last 4 kilometers were so tricky for us. Luckily, I had a headband and wind cheater on me, so I didn't feel that cold. But my friends from Mumbai who were not used to winter were super cold. And by this time, we realized that the hotel booking which we made via someone had some issues, and we didn't really have a place to stay. Uh, so we were like, we will try our luck in Kedarnath directly. Yeah, people keep telling you that there is a bit of plain in between, but we didn't really find an easy stretch for sure. But देखो बारिश हो रही है. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. मेरे friends रो रहे हैं. Their bodies are paining, are paining, are paining. This is Kedarnath song for you, with my nostril showing because I'm too close. Actually, it's raining. Sorry, if we didn't really realize. After this, I don't have any video because we were super cold and tired, and we were figuring out how to make to the temple vicinity in one piece. Luckily, we found a decent hotel, and he connected us with a panditji who asked us to come at 11:30 p.m. to the temple to do the midnight darshan. And yeah, we did that. Like, we had dinner, we took shower and got ready, and the next day begins. And keep following our channel to hear the amazing story of the next day. And yeah, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. निकाल से.
सुदीप मेरा भी.
So we finally made it to Kedarnath in one piece, and we haven't slept. We are going to do the best puja ever, and guess what? I'll turn 42 in the temple. What could be the best thing than that? You! Happy birthday to you.
Yay!